In this short video, I'll show you how to round numbers in cells in Google Sheets. First, select the cell where you want the formula to be in. As for me, it's this one, the customer ratings. And we will input a formula based on the values. So something like equals round, parenthesis. As for me, it's discounted price, so I'll select C2, this one, comma, space, and 2. The reason why we're putting 2 is to round the discounted price to 2 decimals. Just put a close parenthesis and press enter. There you go. After doing so, you can just go ahead and drag it down to the other cells to have the same formula. What we can also do is round the customer rating to the nearest whole number. So let's do the exact same thing, but this time it's on units sold. Equals round parenthesis. This time it's customer rating D2, comma, and this one space and 0. Put a close parenthesis, press enter, and just drag down to the other cells. There we go. Now you know how to round number cells in Google Sheets. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this problem.